Protect your Redmi data by backing it up to your PC. It's simple, secure, and keeps your files safe, ready to restore anytime your phone is reset, upgraded, or replaced. Way 1. How to backup Redmi on computer via Android Backup and Restore Expert. Mobican Backup Manager for Android backs up Redmi data to a PC in a few clicks. It supports contacts, messages, photos, apps, and more. You can easily restore individual files or the full backup. How does it work? Launch the software and connect your Redmi phone to the computer via USB. Enable USB debugging if prompted. Once detected, click Backup. Choose the types of data you wish to back up. Then, designate a location on your computer for storage. Finally, click on Backup to transfer the Redmi data to this computer. Way 2. How to backup Redmi phone on PC with Mi Cloud. On Redmi, settings Mi account Mi Cloud. Sign in, enable sync, and choose data to back up. Wait for upload. On PC, visit i.me.com, sign in, browse data, and click download to save. Way 3. How to take full backup of Redmi phone on computer. Mi PC Suite. Install and launch Mi PC Suite on your PC. Connect your Redmi via USB, enable file transfer, and grant access. Once detected, click Backup to save your data. Way 4. How to take full backup of Redmi phone on PC via Google Drive. On Redmi, settings Google Backup. Enable backup to Google Drive. Then tap Backup Now. On PC, visit drive.google.com, sign in, select Files, and download. Way 5. How to backup Redmi phone on computer with Swift Backup. Install and launch Swift Backup on your Redmi. Sign in with Google and grant permissions. Select data to backup and choose Google Drive or local storage for local backups. Connect to PC via USB and copy the Swift Backup folder.